morning, children. Hope you all are doing good. Yes, children, in today's session, we are going to learn about the germination of seeds. Yes, children, in today's concept time, we are going to learn about the germination of seeds. The life of the plant begins with a tiny seed. Yes, children, what is germination of seeds? The growth of the seed in the soil is called germination. There are different stages in the germination of seeds. To grow a plant, we have to sow the seed in the soil. Then you have to water the seed regularly. In the presence of sunlight, the seed starts to germinate. The seed coat starts to split. A tiny root goes downwards. The shoot starts to grow upwards. And it is called seedlings. Yes, children, that is the seedlings. The seedlings grow into a new plant. And the new plant have stem, leaves, flowers and fruit. Yes, children, hope you have understood the different stages of germination of seeds. Meet you soon. Thank you so much and bye-bye.